Suck it in, honey, suck it in. No, suck it in, okay? So that's, yeah, I have to suck it in my tummy because I don't want you sending me congratulatory messages. Anywho, let's get into the video. What's happening, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and it's a quick fix with Miss V. And in today's video I'm going to be fixing up my leggings. I don't know if this is what you call them, leggings, ties, whatever. So this is sitting right at my waist, but as you can see we have a little situation here, and I don't know if you can see, but this isn't cute. Okay, so as you saw in the first clip of this video, with my leggings sitting right at the waist, they tend to gather at the bottom because I'm short, and that is a struggle for me. I don't know if it's just me or if you've experienced the same problem with your leggings or your tights, whatever you call them. So every time I wear these, right, and yeah, I keep sucking my tummy because guess what? I don't want you sending me congratulatory messages. Anywho, okay, get in, honey. So every time I wear my leggings, I have to pull them up so that they don't gather at the bottom. Okay, now this might sound like a plan, but when I'm walking and I'm going about my business, I constantly have to keep pulling them up because as I am moving, they keep going down and gathering at the bottom, and I'm just like, I need a permanent solution. So I thought about it and I came up with a solution, and I am here to share it with y'all. So what you need is just an elastic. Okay? What you need, people, is an elastic. So what you're going to do is you're going to measure, put on your leggings, pull them up as high as you want so that you fix the bottom situation. And in my case, it's coming up to here, and I'm just going to measure. That's definitely not my waist, or anywho. So this is like 67.5, the whole of this 67.5. And what I'm going to do is I am not going to cut an elastic that is 67.5 centimeter long. I am going to remove the 7.5 so that when I wear this, it stays in place. Okay, so I'm just going to do that and fix this little situation. So what you're going to do is you're going to join your elastic using a zigzag stitch, and what you'll do next is to grab a cord. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab a chalk, and you need to mark the midpoints of your elastic. So we already have this. Just going to mark it, come onto the other side, do the same thing. You need to mark the 4 points of your elastic. Do that. Okay, now so grab your tights, your leggings, whatever. You also need to mark the 4 points on these babies. Okay, so this is the first side, second. So you've marked the first two, then mark the last two like this. Yes, so the reason why we are marking these midpoints is that we want to make sure that when we attach our elastic, it is evenly distributed, because this is like 67.5 centimeters and my elastic is 60. So you get it? We need to do the math so that everything ends up mathing. So once you're done with that, you're just going to grab your elastic and you match those 4 points on your elastic with the 4 points on your elastic. So the 4 points on your elastic and the 4 points on your tights. So like this, and then you just secure everything with the pin. The pins hold everything together. And once everything is secured in place, you're just going to head over to your sewing machine and you will use a zigzag stitch because it allows for stretch once everything is secured in place. So use a zigzag stitch. So as you are sewing, as you can see, there's a bit of gathering of this tight. So as you're sewing, you're just going to stretch it out a bit so that your elastic gathers evenly. So I'm just going to head over to my sewing machine and I'll show you. So this is what it looks like, and I'm telling you guys, this elastic is tight, but I can breathe. So this is my permanent situation, permanent solution. So I fixed 3 of my leggings, and yeah, this is the permanent solution to my problem. Let me know if you try this, and I can't wait to wear this and not have to worry about pulling anything up, because this is going to be staying in place. So that is all I had for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that little video, a little bit of fix me up situation, Miss V's quick fix. If you did, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the video. Like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and come back next time for another video. Okay, until next time.